Hello everyone, my name is Rick and I previously posted a video titled Replace the SSD of a Surface Laptop 4. Today I would like to follow up on a problem I have with the rubber pads we placed on this laptop. After about a month, the two pads on the back or far side came loose, so I would like to address that issue. The first solution I found is simple and easy and it won't cost you a cent, and that is if you already have a bottle of superglue around. I have tested superglue in one of the pads and so far it has stayed strong over a couple of months and it looks like this solution is going to work indefinitely. You won't have to worry about the rubber pads that are sitting on the front or the near side of your laptop. I believe they haven't come loose because they are placed inside a counter bore slot and the adhesive from the pads seem to hold them in place just fine. So let's concentrate on the pads that are more prone to coming off, the ones that are sitting on the flat surface. Like I mentioned recently, we are going to use superglue for this process. I happen to have one laying around my house, however, these types of glues are easy to come by. Before we proceed with this, I will let you know that you can find the rubber pads that were specifically designed for this type of laptops. I found a set of 4 rubber feet on eBay for around $14 depending on where you live. If you decide on getting these instead, you won't have to worry about the superglue. However, if you are like me and you would like to save money, you can repurpose these rubber pads for other things. Therefore, I recommend getting the ones I'm showing you right now. You can find a set of 100 pieces for about $6. If you get these, make sure that they are 8 millimeters in diameter. Without further ado, let's proceed with the rubber feet replacement. First, remove one of the feet from the set and let's peel off the adhesive cover so that we can put some glue on it. Grab the superglue and very gently put as little glue as possible on the back of the rubber pad. Now that we have the glue spread on the back of the pad, very carefully place it where you want it to be. Now we want to let the glue dry, so let's flip the computer back on its feet and let it rest for a little while. About 5 minutes have gone by and as you can see, the rubber pad is very much glued in place. Let's compare it with the one I've installed a few months back, and yes, it still feels as firm as day one. And that's about it. Hopefully, you won't have any more issues with the rubber feet on these laptops. Thanks for watching.